Hi guys! Today we are learning how to transfer BandLab projects to a new phone. First, unlock your new phone and launch the BandLab app. If you're not signed in yet, enter the same email, username, and password that you used on your old device. BandLab stores your projects in the cloud, so using the same account is very important. Once you log in successfully, your files can sync automatically. Now, tap the music option located at the bottom right corner. This section gives you access to your songs, projects, and other creations. After opening it, you'll see several options at the top of the screen. Next, we'll head to your saved projects. Once you're in the music section, tap on My Projects. Here, BandLab displays all the projects linked to your account. If you signed in with the same account, your projects should already be available. You can now continue editing or listening to them on your new phone. And that's how you can easily transfer BandLab projects to your new phone. If this video helped you, make sure to subscribe and comment below for more simple tutorials.